Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching us. Today we'll show you guys how to manually close the sunroof on BMW E65 or E66 guys. If you have one of those and for some reason the sunroof doesn't want to close, like the motor is bad, fuse or something, and you're on the road, you need to close it quick. Okay, we'll show you how to manually do that guys. It's not very complicated procedure. You have a special tool when you open the trunk. Okay, I'm gonna show you right here. We have the tools. Okay, give me just a minute. Okay, we'll need to unscrew, okay, this here. And when you do that, usually right here somewhere you have these two. Okay, that one right here. Alright guys, so this is the tool now. Okay, let me show you guys how to use it quick and what you need to do. So right here under this panel guys, we can reach the motor to manually close it. So you grab it with your nails right here and gently, okay, you need to push in, okay, towards the front, okay, and then it will come out. Then you slide it towards the back, okay, a little bit like that. So this is the motor now. Right here in the center, okay, there is a hole, and this hole is for that hex key, okay, right here. And all you have to do to close it, okay, go counterclockwise, okay, like that. Okay, and this is it. This is closed now. When you are ready guys, all we have to do, okay, you need to make sure that you get this one in, okay, on the front. So, okay, make sure that it goes under the light there. Then those three things, you need to push them in, but careful not to break anything. Okay, and it's locked in place. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.